Well, okay, time to do word problems. They tend to be a little bit trickier, but you know, if you just read through them and underline things as you go, they're not that bad. Look, 14 more than twice the first integer, okay? Twice the first integer gives equals to the second integer, y. All right? Now, the second integer, which we said was y, increased by 1, is equal to the square of the first integer, x squared. Okay, there we go. There's your system. You're done. The hard part is actually quite over, because honestly, even though I put over here Windows settings, that was meant to throw you. Because honestly, I wouldn't do this any other way but algebraically. I wouldn't even put this on your calculator. What's the point? Okay, so here we go. Let's do this algebraically. Why would I choose algebraically? Look, this is already y equals 2. So take this guy right here, plunk it right in. Look what I got. I got 14 plus 2x plus 1 equals to x squared. Check this out. Combine this guy and this guy. So I've got 2x plus 15 equals to x squared. Bring everything over. Watch this. You bring that over, you got x squared minus 2x minus 15 equaling to 0. And you can PSA this in your head. This is x minus 5 and x plus 3. Of course, leaving you with x equaling to 5 and minus 3. There's your 2x values. I could solve this faster than you plunking it into your calculator. Go ahead and try if you want. Okay, so you got x equals to 5 and x equals to minus 3, and check this out. Look at this guy right here. Is y equals to 14 plus 2x. All you have to do now is put in your x equals to 5 right into there and solve it. So y equals to 14 plus 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 and 14, that gives you 24. So your first answer is 524. Done. Pretty simple, isn't it? Now, your second answer would be the same idea. Y equals to 14 plus 2x. Take this minus 3 and pop it in there. Okay, y equals to 14 plus 2 times minus 3, which is minus 6. Y equals to 14 and minus 6, whoops, equals to y equals to 8. So your second answer would be minus 3, 8. Now, check to see if this actually works. Go back and figure this out. It says 14 plus 2 times the number gives you the second number. 14 plus 2 times 5, 2 times 5 is 10, gives you the second number, 24. It works. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's try for this one. 14 plus 2 times the number. 14 plus 2 times minus 3, 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. 14 and minus 6 gives you 8. That works too. Both of them are the solution, verified verbally, just like that. You don't need a calculator. Sometimes doing the algebra is much, much more efficient.